Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah, amma ba'd. Dear brothers and sisters in Islam, today and tomorrow, several of our youth that came to this country, they're graduating. Alhamdulillah, for years, I have always given khutab on them when they come here, how to deal with the peer pressures and things like that, welcoming them. But subhanAllah, most of the time I forget about the al-wida, the farewell. I have just a couple of nasaih, good advices. If any one of the fresh young graduates is here, inshallah ta'ala, short reminder. I want to remind you with one reminder that Rasulullah ﷺ gave once he was giving a khutbah, like a talk, like a maw'izah. Sahaba say, a very famous, beautiful one, in Riyadh al-Salihin, Imam al-Nawawi brought this. He says, this talk was so powerful that وَجِلَتْ مِنْهَا الْقُلُوبُ وَزَرَفَتْ مِنْهَا الْعُيُونُ. We were shedding tears and our hearts were trembling, and it's like they were turning to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We said, oh Rasulullah, it is as if you're giving us a farewell talk. Give us more. And Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, what he told them, out of that I'll tell you the first thing, that's my first nasiha to you. Because they took it as a al-wida, like a farewell. My farewell reminder to you is the same what Rasulullah gave to his companions. I will repeat his words. He said, عَلَيْكُمْ بِسُنَّتِي وَسُنَّةِ الْخُلَفَاءِ الرَّاشِدِينَ الْمَهْدِيِّينَ مِنْ بَعْدِي. Upon you is my sunnah and sunnah of my guided khalifas who will come after me. Khulafa al-Rashidin, we know who they are. 30 years, 5 of them. He says, عَضُّوهَا بِالنَّوَاجِذِ. Follow, hang on to my sunnah, my way, and the way of these guided caliphs with your molars, bin-nawajiz, that don't let it go. This is your success, my brothers and sisters. Believe me, believe you me. If you got nothing, even if you failed, even if your degree did not reach home behind you, if you have this, you will be the most successful people on this earth. Because Allah has promised us in the Quran, قَدْ أَفْلَحَ الْمُؤْمِنُونَ. That's my nasiha number 1. My nasiha number 2 is, which is a don't. In this country, when you came with that piece of paper, you might have added a lot of stains on your degree. I'm not talking about physical stains. I'm talking about stains of ma'asi and sins. Don't take that with you. Wash them off here. Make tawbah. And then follow up. Don't talk about it. Don't share it with your friends. Don't share your ma'asi, because people of Jahiliyyah used to brag and boast about their haram. كانوا يفاخرون في معاصيهم. Don't do that in Jahiliyyah. Don't talk about it. Don't share it, because if you do, you will create many witnesses who will become your shuhada on the day of judgment. They'll say, oh Allah, you're not forgiving us. What about this guy? He did that and that and that. I'm not telling you to be hypocrites. I'm just telling you to don't talk about your haram. If Allah has put satar, if Allah as-sattar, the one who hides, the one who conceals your faults, if He has covered, then why do you want that to be exposed? Number 3, take the ma'roof from here, the good things of this society. You know that this country is built upon some of the very strong, faithful values, some of the Judeo-Christian moral and ethical values. Those values are very much and more Islamic values. Take those with you. These people don't lie most of the time. These people don't cheat. These people don't do rashwa. These people don't take bribery. These people don't steal from one another. These people don't do cheating in dealings. You know, their business matters. Their transactions in business. Today, Muslims are scared to buy from a city where Muslims are selling cars. They rather prefer to buy from a non-Muslim. Why is that? Learn those good ethics, because Prophet told us, if you're a good merchant, if you're an honest businessman, you will be next to me in Jannah, like this. So learn, you have those things, take those with you. Don't get back to the everybody is doing this, so I'm going to do that. Mathalan, I'll give you an example. When Muslims ride the plane, as soon as their plane is landing in their country, first thing they violate is the qatar. They don't follow the queues anymore. They're going, Habibi, can you do this for me? Can you do this for me? They cut the line, and it's like cutting people off. No, you get back. Don't. Maintain. You used to stand here in lines at the Secretary of State, at the Social Security Office, all these places. You stand like, MashaAllah, sami'na wa ta'na. It's like a God will punish you if you disobey that. But as soon as you get in your plane, Alhamdulillah, I'm in a free country. La'natullah ala zalimeen. This is la'na, brothers. This is bad. Don't do that. These are some of my nasaih. Take the good from here and apply it there. And remember, you may not be able to change the system. In most Muslim countries right now, there's corruption. There is fitna from top to bottom. Hukam to the amma, everywhere. But you save yourself, save your homes first. This is what you will be asked about. كلكم راع وكلكم مسؤول عن رعيته. Make your home as an Islamic, ideal Islamic imara. You can do that. May Allah give us tawfiq. Allahumma fiqna. And let us make dua. Last but not the least, dua is our biggest weapon. You make that dua that Allah, the good I have done in Ramadan or before, or whatever good I did in this country, let my heart be firm on it and let me not go astray from that. رَبَّنَا لَا تُزِغْ قُلُوبَنَا بَعْدَ إِذْ هَدَيْتَنَا وَهَبْ لَنَا مِن لَدُنْكَ رَحْمَةً إِنَّكَ أَنْتَ الْوَهَّابُ. Allahumma ameen.